If you've ever accidentally closed Firefox and lost a bunch of important tabs, this quick tutorial is going to save you a lot of frustration. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the warning before quitting multiple tabs in Firefox, so you get a confirmation prompt before the browser closes all your open tabs at once. This is a simple setting, but it can make a huge difference if you like keeping research pages, work tabs, shopping pages, or anything important open in the background. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast Firefox tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like the three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all the browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Firefox settings page, where you can customize how the browser behaves. Once you're in Settings, look through the options and click Tabs and Browsing. This section controls a lot of tab-related features, including how Firefox handles multiple open tabs and browsing behavior. Now scroll down until you find the Tabs section. Depending on your version of Firefox, this may be a little lower on the page, so take your time and look carefully. When you find it, locate the option that says Ask before closing multiple tabs. Tick that checkbox to turn it on. Once this setting is enabled, Firefox will warn you before it closes multiple tabs, giving you a chance to cancel if you click the close button by accident. That's especially useful if you have lots of tabs open and don't want to lose your place. After enabling the option, you can simply close the Settings tab and continue browsing normally. From now on, if you try to quit Firefox with several tabs open, you should see the warning message before everything closes. This gives you one extra layer of protection and helps prevent accidental tab loss. And that's all there is to it. You've now enabled the warning before quitting multiple tabs in Firefox. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more useful browser tips, and I'll see you in the next one.